Hey guys, welcome. In this episode, I was just wandering around the city of Oakland. I have a few properties out there, and I have three properties in one particular neighborhood. I actually don't know what neighborhood this is. Let me go ahead and I clicked the wrong thing. Let me click this button here. Not sure what it's called, but go ahead and zoom out so I can actually see what neighborhood it's Redwood, Lincoln, Highland. Zoom out a little bit more. So Victor Ave. Yeah, so we in the Redwood Heights neighborhood. Have four properties in the Redwood Heights. Three particular here on Victor Ave. One way in, one way out. I think it's a good neighborhood to build in. I'm actually getting a lot of upticks on these properties each month. I don't know if I can show you in particular. Maybe I have to click on one at a time. And I'm selling the properties as well. But yeah, 89.64. That's in mid-range, boosted earnings per month. And this particular property, I was thinking about building me a home structure. It's a good community. I do have some neighbors here, and they're actually have this home up for sale, a whopping $212. Hopefully, some nice neighbors move in. I can start a community here on Victor Avenue, and as long as everyone is putting properties up, it's going to bring the property value up. So why not build here? So my property value can go up even more. And as you know or don't know, Upland is doing a beta block explorer for all players. If you haven't registered, go ahead and do so. So I'm just going to go ahead and see if I can build me a structure right here on this home, on this lot here. Just hit the build button. Got a particular house you want to build. I have small town house. Sparks 950. You have to stake at least 0.1. Expected living unit is 1. I think I want to look for something more than has 1 living unit. How about this townhouse here? Let's select this one. Spark hours 2,600 hours. Minimum to stake is 0.2. Expecting living units is 3. So maybe I can stay on the top portion of that townhouse and rent out the other 2 floors, whether it's for a business or living quarters. So let's go ahead and select this. So by the way, this is my first time doing all of this. So just read along with me. This is a positioning object. Grab the object with one finger to move it around. Use 2 fingers to rotate. Is all that necessary? Let's see. Just hit the X and see what we can do. So as you see, this is my property. It's kind of got a strange little shape to it. Let's see if we can go around back. Basically, they're all 3 of my properties, so I should be able to position how I want to position it. I want to position it in the corner, so in case I want to put something on the side of the house, like right here. I have a little mini park or a little mini garden. I can do so. But I guess they want you to only center this. Let me see if I can go, how far back I can go with it showing green. Use these turns. Let's see here. Going to get green. Oh, that's simple. Keep flashing. There we go. So let's see how that looks. That's centered. I like it. Can we get a little bit more to the left? There we go. I'm scared to move it some more. Let's see. Now let's see if we can angle it just. Oh, gotta keep it like it was. Can we go further back? Yep, it was kind of perfect for. There we go. Let's turn around. Street view. Look like it just needs to be rotated to the left a little bit, but let me get a good angle here. Keep it just like that. So at least we got space in the front, a little space on the side. Let's go ahead and hit this check mark. Then we agree. We can select our colors. Question mark. Colors using sections to customize the appearance of the structure. Each structure has 3 colors: primary, secondary, and detail. Each color section has 5 possible color options. Alright, so let's just play around. Guess we're just gonna play around. It's gonna be still while I do this. So, Alright. That's great. I don't really like that. I think I'm gonna back this up. What about that? What about this? Let's check all of them. What about this blue? Okay. That's nice. If anything else, I don't want to skip a color and be like, oh, I should have did that one. I like that blue. I like that reddish, peach. Oh, so this is the primary color. I was just thinking, is the primary, secondary? Primary. Oh, wow, it would rotate. Come on, make it easy. It was rotating the whole time. Alright, so I think I found a liking for the blue. So hopefully I can go back if I change my mind. Oh, that's just the trim. Change the color of the trim. Can we get it darker? I think darker would definitely highlight. I like that brown though, how that brown, tan, whatever color you want to call it. No, that's a little darker. Come on, back to the front. Alright. What about the black? They all almost seem like the same color. Like that. Let's go back to the other. Hopefully we can paint our house a different color as the seasons change or as my mind change. So to select the detail color. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't see it. I don't see it. Okay, I see it. I see it. Kind of like that. Kind of hard to see it change. Look at the bottom. I see it at the bottom there. So, select the detail color. Oh, that's nice. I think I'm gonna do that. Oh no, I think a nice little highlight at the bottom. I don't know, what should I go with? Let's make it fast, just because we're here and you guys are there. You don't have all day. So I did select that. There's the preview, the position and colors for the construction. I hit the check mark. Okay, so let's see. Resources. I always like to hit this question mark to see what it's okay, so spark hours, 2,600 total hours. Construction time, 386 days. Oh my god, that's over a year. What's it? Oh no. Let's see. Yes. That is over a year, but is that actually Upland or real time? You have 0.28 sparks available. You can set a maximum of 0.28 sparks for this construction. If you stake all of it, it will take you 386 days or 21 hours. But is it an option? I like the 21 hours. I don't understand. Start construction. Let's see the manager. Maybe we need someone to jump on board and stake a little spark, and maybe they can earn a room in the penthouse. What do you guys think? We don't know, but this episode will continue here on Clicked Up TV.